We'll guide you through how to use VidIQ with Claude AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start using VidIQ with Claude AI, begin by opening the website you prefer to use and click on the search bar. Type in VidIQ, then look through the results and choose the second website that shows up and seems right to you. Once the page loads, log in or sign in to your VidIQ account so you can continue. When you are inside VidIQ, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and find your profile. Left-click it, then pick the Account Settings option from the menu that appears. When you are in the Account Settings page, look for the MCP section. Click on the option that says Generate New Key near the top left. You will be asked to give a description for your key, so type something simple, then press the Generate button. After the key is created, copy the VidIQ MCP server URL so you can use it later. Once that is done, open a new tab in your browser and search for Claude AI. In the results, select the first website that appears and seems valid. Log in or sign in to your Claude account. After you are inside, look at the left side and find the Customize section, then open it. Select Connectors to open the connection area. At the top, press the Add Connector button and choose Add Custom Connector. Give your connector a name and paste the MCP URL you copied earlier into the space provided, then press the Add button. Once the connector is added, click the Connect button. Claude will redirect you to a VidIQ authorization page, where you just press Authorize to continue. After that, you can adjust the remaining permissions based on what you prefer. When everything is ready, go back and click the New Chat button on the left side. Under the prompt bar, press the plus button. A small menu will appear. Click on Connectors and make sure that the VidIQ connection is turned on. Now go to the Add from VidIQ option and pick the feature you want to use. For example, you can choose content gap analysis if that is what you need. Enter your prompt into the prompt input area, then press Add Prompt. After all of that is done, let Claude generate the results for you based on the information you provided.